almost the first
Hampir
week
sepekan
of
pertama
20
tahun
and 22, cooking
2022,
oil
harga
price
minyak goreng
haven't
belum
shown
menunjukkan
any sign
tanda-tanda
of
penurunan,
decreasing, let
apalagi
alone
menuju ke harga
heading to
normal.
normal price.
Kenapa
Why
harga minyak
has
goreng
the price
meroket?
of cooking
Berikut
oil
jawaban dari
rocketed
mulai
along with
Presiden
answer
Joko
from
Widodo hingga
President Joko
pedagang di
Widodo to
pasar
traders
tradisional.
in traditional market? Cooking oil
Minyak goreng
has been
sudah cukup lama mengalami
experiencing price
lonjakan
peaks
harga.
for a long
Diawali
time,
dari
starting
kenaikan
with
harga
from
minyak goreng
the
curah yang
increase
kemudian
in the
diikuti
price
minyak
of whole
goreng
cooking
kemasan
oil,
pabrik.
which was followed
Berikut
by
pantauan harga
factory
minyak
packet
goreng di
cooking
awal
oil and
Januari di
monitoring
pasar
of
tradisional
cooking oil
Jakarta.
price in early January at the Jakarta Traditional Market. If
Kalau
for
misalnya
example,
minyaknya masih
the oil
standar
is
naik
still
gitu lah, ya,
standard,
masih pasaran
that's why
tinggi
it's
gitu.
still high.
Jadi harga biasa 2 liter itu 26, 28, sekarang udah masih harga 42.
The
Ya,
Tron
kalau yang
Sangkuluk
kalau
is
yang
still
tropical
the
masih
price
masih
for
harga 38 gitu.
38 burgers.
Jadi
The
untuk
price
harga
for
minyak
oil is
masih
still
tinggi,
high
Pak. Untuk
for
per liternya
the
kira
last
berapa, Pak?
time. That
1
after
liter
buying
pasaran
market,
yang
the
kemasan
tropical
tropical
packaging
sama Sangko
most good
itu
is still 23
masih
and
23
22.
sama 22
Gadget
gitu.
some
Ada
are
yang 25
25.
gitu.
So
Bu Eti,
quality
apakah
is
benar di
it
sini
true
minyak
that cooking oil
goreng
has
mengalami kenaikan harga?
in price? Oh
Ya,
yes,
betul,
the price
kenaikan harga
has
sudah sebulan
increased amount more. The
Dari
26 no,
26
there
sekarang
are
udah 42.
42 and
Ada yang
40.
40, ada.
What
Apa
house
penyebab
speak
lonjakan
in
harga
cooking oil
minyak
price
goreng?
according
Menurut
to
Presiden
President
Joko
Joko
Widodo,
Widodo
karena harga
tells the
minyak
price
sawit mentah
of crude
atau
palm
crude palm
oil or
oil,
crude palm oil
CPO,
CPO
di pasar
in the
ekspor sedang
export
tinggi.
market is high. I
Yang
have
ketiga soal
ordered
minyak
the
goreng.
Minister
Karena harga
of
CPO
Trade
di pasar
to
ekspor
ensure
sedang
the
tinggi,
stability of domestic
saya
cooking oil price.
perintahkan
Once
Menteri
again,
Perdagangan untuk
the
menjamin
government's main
stabilitas
priority is the
harga
people
minyak
needs.
goreng di dalam
The
negeri.
price of
Sekali
cooking
lagi,
oil must remain
prioritas utama
affordable
pemerintah
is
adalah kebutuhan
necessary.
rakyat.
The
Harga
Minister
minyak
of
goreng
Trade
harus
can
tetap
carry out
terjangkau.
market
Jika
operations
perlu,
again to keep
Menteri
price under
Perdagangan
control.
bisa melakukan lagi operasi pasar agar harga tetap terkendali.
Awal Desember lalu,
Armuji
Wakil Wali
found
Kota
out the
Surabaya
cause of the
Armuji
spike in
mencari
cooking
tahu
oil
penyebab
price by
lonjakan harga
conducting
minyak
a
goreng
sudden
dengan melakukan
inspection
inspeksi
of
mendadak
the
ke gudang
warehouse of
distributor
the
minyak goreng
large
terbesar
cooking
di
oil
Jawa Timur.
distributor in East
Dari
Java.
hasil
From
sidak,
the
berikut
result of
penyebab
the
naiknya harga
inspection
minyak
and
goreng.
the cause of the increase in cooking oil price
Cek di
was
sana,
very
di
much
gudangnya,
in the
itu
warehouse.
ternyata memang nggak ada
For
minyak.
goodness,
Tapi bahan
who
baku
have asked
lainnya itu
for
ada.
these raw materials. Finally,
Mereka
in
sudah
our
kontrak dengan
country,
luar negeri
we
yang
have
telah
a shortage
meminta
of
daripada
raw
bahan baku
materials
tersebut.
that are usually
Akhirnya
processed and made
di
into
kita
oil,
sendiri, di negeri
which
kita sendiri,
of course
itu
is
kekurangan
a
daripada
scarcity
bahan
and
baku
delay
yang
of
biasa
oil on the
diolah
market.
oleh dan dijadikan minyak. Ini yang tentunya memang menjadi satu kelangkaan dan keterlambatan minyak-minyak yang ada di pasaran.
Then
Lalu,
what if
bagaimana
according to
kalau
traders
menurut
in the
pedagang di
market,
pasar?
the market
Berikut
following the
penjelasan pedagang di
explanation
Pasar
of the
Rawamangun,
traders
Jakarta
at the
Timur saat
Rawamangun
ditanya
market
kenapa
is
minyak goreng
Jakarta
mahal.
when they have why cooking oil is expensive. What is the
Kira-kira apa
cause
sih, Bu,
of this
penyebab dari
oil
kenaikan
price
harga minyak
increase?
ini?
Joe, I really
Yo,
don't
saya
understand what it
penyebabnya
is.
Bapak tuh
Someone
nggak
said
ngerti
they
apa
said
ya.
the
Katanya ada yang bilang
CPO
katanya
was sold
CPO-nya
out and
dijual
become a share
keluar.
for us
Terus
here
jadi jatah
reduced.
untuk kita di
When
sini
he said, I
berkurang.
also don't understand. We
Gitu
are
katanya,
small,
saya juga nggak paham. Kita orang kecil.
quirky
Berarti
people.
kalau,
If the
pemasoknya
suppliers
sendiri dari
themselves
mana sih,
are
Bu, kalau boleh
rather
tahu?
busy, if I may know,
Ada
there are
aja
suppliers who
yang
are
tawar-tawaran
captured
ke sini.
here.
Kadang
Sometimes
ada
there
juga
are also
salesnya ada.
sellers.
Heeh.
Why is
Oh,
Harry's
memang
stock
stok
for
di,
the
pemasok
supplier
tersebut ini
decreasing
berkurang atau
of
seperti apa sih, Bu,
kind of
sehingga ini
thing?
menyebabkan
Mem
kenaikan
causing
harga
an
minyak?
increase
Ya, memang
in
berkurang.
oil prices. Nana
Jadi
hopes so
kadang-kadang
sometimes
dia
he
kita
loves
orderin 5
out of
karton,
5
paling dikasih
cartons
1
at most,
karton.
given 1 carton
Dibagi-bagi,
is
Bu, katanya
divided.
begitu,
Mrs.
kata
She
salesnya.
said that when the salesman
Pengaruh
said
terhadap
it
omset
had
penjualan
an effect
minyak nggak
on
sih, Bu?
the turnover
Berpengaruh
of
sekali.
oil sales, very
Berpengaruh
influential. High if
Kalau
my
omset
turnover
saya
decreasing
turun,
by
40%.
40%. Towards the end of
Menjelang akhir
last
tahun
year,
lalu, Menteri
Minister
Perdagangan
of
Muhammad
Commerce
Lutfi
Muhammad
menyatakan
Lutfi said
optimistis
he was
harga-harga di
optimistic
pasar
that
akan
prices
normal
in
di
the
bulan
market
Januari.
would normalize in January with cooking oil. We have intervened. We have already invested 11 million bets. We will disperse them at a price of 14,000 to maintain people purchasing power.
Namun, di
However,
pekan
in the
pertama
first
bulan
week of
Januari,
January,
harga
the
minyak
price
goreng
of
belum
cooking
menunjukkan
oil has
tanda-tanda
not shown
mengalami
any
penurunan.
sign of downturn.
Tim TV
TV1
One
Team Report.
mengabarkan.